Good evening, my YouTube friends. How are you all doing today? Finally, I got a little time to do a video today. And also, as a YouTube notified me that I have to make more videos, otherwise they will cancel it. So I has to make time myself to do a video, do some video. So today I'm gonna look at this orchid's condition. It's very bad. So I'm gonna take care of it and see if I can recover it from dying. It was a very big plant, and that's why I put it in a big pot. And now that all dead, all dried up, it's shriveled. This piece is gone. It's a very hardy plant, but everything needs care. This is, after I clean, I'll see how much I can save. It's still savable. It's not gonna bloom that quick, but maybe someday. So let me clean it and I'll come back. Okay, so I cleaned it. I just trim whatever dead, and some growth also dead. So I'm gonna put fertilizer in now. So this is 30-10-10. Half teaspoon. I think I'll have to put 2 gallons of water. And this. Fish and seaweed fertilizer. 2-3-1. Shake it. And put it just a little bit. Add more water. Dissolve everything goodly. Okay, it's time to give a soak. I'll keep it overnight like this because it's very dehydrated, very much dehydrated. We'll add little more water. Okay. I wasn't finding my Epsom salt until now. Suddenly I found it. So I'm going to add a little bit, very little bit. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this for overnight, and tomorrow I'll take it off from the water and repot it. Okay, pick up. So it gets hydrated. Some green roots showing, some new growth. Most roots are gone. But Cattleya is very very good for recovering. So here is the second piece. I'm going to plant in this one. So I'm going to pot in this one now. I'm going to use some lava rock in the bottom. These don't have much roots. And pot is kind of deep, so I put some lava rocks in. Then I'm going to put the bark. The mix is fresh. I potted last spring, I think, earlier spring or something like that. It's just that I didn't take care of them. That's why it's get bad. Use some fresh one if I need after I pot it. So let's see. A lot of them are broken already. It fell also a couple of times. You can put it like this. It's have growth in every direction, but I just have to be careful. So you get more fresh bark, medium. These are a little more finer than the one I was putting earlier. And on top, the finer is better. We don't have the moss right now. I'll order some. When it comes, I'll put some around the root, because this need some moss around it. I have to make it stable, but I don't want to make it deep in the soil, like too much deep. Leaves are standing up, all the leaves are blended down because of the dehydration. So I think this will be okay now. This is how it looks like now.